What's up, YouTube? Quick wash video for you fellas out there on the truck. We wash that house every year. We've done the fence, we've done the deck. We washed that house 2 or 3 times now. We've washed this house. Now we're getting started on this house. I normally don't like to park on driveways if I don't have to, just because you reduce the chances of anything spilling out of the truck, oil, bleach, whatever. Dual feeding, we normally dual feed. These are 2 8-gallon a minute, so it just helps us keep up with water. We're about to get this thing started, so. Okay, so we cranked that job too fast. I forgot to get any footage. We're at a small, little, quick and easy fun job. Get some footage here. Got the majority of it onto this tarp so we can just dump it here. Get a little bit of soap to come out. I don't got a lot of soap in my mix. I don't run any soap at all. It's just straight SH. So you kind of got to be in tune with your machine and know when that soap actually starts coming out. You can kind of see that it's a little bit bubbly. Don't forget to get up underneath these eaves here. They hold a lot of mildew that you can see as soon as you directly come out of the front door. Quick and easy wash today, and I'm about to go and quote a storage facility after this. I'll take you guys along for that, give you some footage of what that looks like, what we're looking for in these bids. Using a 2.1 injector right now. This is my first initial soap, so this stuff is just starting to loosen up. Sometimes you do need to hit it again. Other times you just need to let it dwell. Being that it's pretty cold today, or this morning was pretty cold, it's still getting to be like low 40s, sometimes even into the 30s at night in the morning. So it does need to dwell a bit, but like with a little bit of pressure, I could come in here and I can knock this off. But I might eventually, it comes to the point where you just need to knock it off so you're saving chemical, but I like to let the chemical do most of the work.